What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the team randoms for Pristine number 5. So we're going to go live here. Live at 9/11. It's 9/11 here in Denver. So we got all the names, copy and pasted twice, and all the teams minus Vegas and Seattle. So we're going to do the names first 3 times on each list. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, and 3. Dubs on top, and Jacob on the bottom. And for the teams, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Zona on top, Mini on the bottom. And here's your guys' teams. There you guys have it. I will do one last timestamp. That was in at 9:13. 9:13.